Seatbelts, everyone! Please let this be a normal field trip.
With a friend? No way!
Cruising on down Main Street, you're relaxed and feeling good. Next thing that you know, you're seeing octopus in the neighborhood, surfing on a sine wave, swinging through the stars. Take a left at human testing, take your second right past Mars on the magic school bus. Alligator nostril, climb on the magic school bus, spank a plankton too. On our magic school bus, drop the river of lava on the magic school bus. Such a fine thing to do. So strap your bums right to the seat. Come on in and don't be shy. Just to make your day complete, you might get baked into a pie on the magic school bus. Step inside, it's a wilder ride. Come on, ride on the magic school bus.
What a lovely day to learn. Oh wow, look at these phalanges. They're part of the skeletal system, right? I think we should find out about the skeletal system.
You're right. Today is a great day for learning. Let's go on a field trip and learn more about the skeletal system. Alright class, well here we are. But before we start, let's see how much we already know about the skeletal system.
What are the main functions of the skeletal system?
Support, storage, blood cell production, protection, and movement.
What is hemopoiesis?
It's the making of blood cells using stem cells in the bone marrow.
So, what are the different types of bone cells?
There's osteoblasts that form new bone cells, osteoclasts that break down bone cells, osteocytes that are mature bone cells, and osteogenic cells which develop into osteoblasts.
Good job! Well, Miss Frizzle, what are joints? Let's see if a student can answer this.
Well, that's where two bones meet. Structure and function of movable joints. Ligaments connect bone to bone, and tendons connect bone to muscle. Joints are where two more bones connect. At joints in the space between bones, there is lubricant known as synovial fluid that reduces friction at the joints during movement.
Wow, what a great answer. That's right.
What is a long bone?
The long bone is one of the four major types of bones, along with short, irregular, and flat. Long bones, especially the femur and tibia, are subjected to most of the load during daily activities and are crucial for skeletal mobility. They grow primarily by the elongation of the diaphysis, which is here, and with an epiphysis at each end of the growing bone. The outside of the bone consists of a layer of connective tissue called the periosteum. Additionally, the outer shell of the long bone is compact bone, and the deeper layer is spongy bone, which contains red bone marrow. The interior of the long bone is the medullary cavity, which is here, with the inner core of the bone cavity being composed of yellow marrow in adults and red marrow in young children. Okay class, so here's a model of the human arm. As you can see, here's the humerus, and on the thumb side there's the radius, and on the pinky side there's the ulna. And we have a lot of carpal bones here. We have 8 of them, and we also have proximal, middle, and distal phalanges. Okay, so here's a model of the human leg. As you can see, here is your femur, this is your patella, and then on the lower part of your leg you have your tibia and fibula. Now who in the class can name parts of the axial skeleton? Go.
Oh, I know some of the bones in the axial skeleton. Right here is the manubrium, this is the sternum, and this is the xiphoid process. And then we have the clavicle right here. Alright, let's look at the pelvic bones, the ilium, and And this is underneath here is the ischium, and this is the pubic symphysis, and then this is the sacrum. Wait, but Miss Frizzle, is the skeletal system work on its own, or does it work with other systems as well?
Wow, what a great question. The skeletal system doesn't work on its own. It's integrated into other body systems as well to maintain homeostasis. For example, blood is made in the bone marrow. Without blood, oxygen could not be transported to the areas of the body that need it. And also, muscles are attached to bone. While bones provide structure, muscles enable movement.
Thanks for coming on the field trip with us.